Hello children, Namaste. Today in this class, let us learn unit number 5, squares and square roots. Here we will learn some important points about this chapter. Now first, we will learn square root symbol. Here is a square root symbol. See, here it is a square root. This is a index. This is a radicand. This is a radical symbol. Simply if I write like this, here for this we say square root, for this we say cube root. Here there is no number, that means inside here 2 is there. Remember this. Now let us learn perfect square. An integer which is the product of two equal integers is known as perfect square. Example, 4 is equal to, we write 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 square. Next, perfect cube, an integer which is the product of three equal integers, that is example 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 cube. Now we will learn triangular numbers. Here triangular numbers formula says that Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. Suppose now I have to find the sum of first 4 numbers. If you add like this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to, you will get 10. Like that same, without adding this, if you use the formula, you can get the answer easily. That is S4 is equal to, in place of n you take 4, so S4 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1 whole divided by 2. So 4 into 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 into 5 whole divided by 2, that is equal to 4 5s are 20 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 10s are. The sum of the first n natural numbers, fourth triangular number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. See, in this case, by using formula, here I got the value of 10. Then without using a formula, I got the value of 10. So now let us learn note. This is an important note. Here you can observe this is a square root symbol. Suppose b is equal to a square is there. So this square, if you send it into left hand side, that becomes b to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to a comes. Then square root of b is equal to a. Here this is a square root symbol, this is a cube root symbol. Now let us learn about cube root. b is equal to a cube. If you send this power 3 to left hand side, that becomes b to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to a. So cube root of b is equal to a. A perfect square is always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, but not with 2, 3, 7, 8. Here we will learn perfect square and perfect cube. Perfect cube we will learn in the next semester. Now we will learn perfect square. From 1 to 20 you have to practice it. Here I have given 1 to 30. It is so easy. First you learn till 20, then from 21 to 30 you can learn. If you learn all this, for a next exercise problems, it will be easy to solve all this. So you have to learn this. See here, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. Like that, 29 29s are 841, 30 30s are 900. Then this here it is a a, here it is a a cube. Here 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. Like this. Now there is a note here, unit of digit n. Now for a n and n cube, for a square and square cube I have given here, so that you can watch it here. Now here 0 is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 0 square is 0, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. In a 16, 6 is in a unit place, so I written 6. Then 5 5 is a 25. In this 25, 5 is in a unit place, so I written 5. 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81. Like this. Then n cube, 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. So 27, in 27 last digit is 7. Like this I written. Hardy Ramanujan number. He is a Ramanujan. He is a famous scientist and a mathematician. He has found one number, that is a Hardy Ramanujan number. 1729 is here. So this is one magic number. Here 1 cube plus 12 cube, if you do, you will get 1729. Then 9 cube plus 10 cube, if you do, you will get 1729. This is a Hardy Ramanujan number. Next, here is one note. If a number ends with 5 zeros, its square ends with 10 zeros. 5 zeros are here, into square means 2. 5 twos are 10 zeros. If a number ends with 5 zeros, its cube ends with 15 zeros. So 5 zeros into 3, 5 threes are 15 zeros. One more note is here. Minus 1 whole to the power of n is equal to plus 1 when n is even. When n is even, there it comes a plus. Example, minus 1. Suppose if you write a power 2, then minus 1 whole square is equal to, how will you write? Minus 1 into minus 1. Like that, minus into minus is plus, 1 ones are 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of n is equal to minus 1 when n is odd. That is, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Why? Because minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Children, for this lesson, the important points I have mentioned here. Learn well, and in the next video I will teach you the exercise problems. Thank you.